So today I'm going to be talking about some beginner-friendly wigs. Now these wigs need little to no manipulation on your part. That means you don't have to pluck or tweeze as much. Now I'm not going to talk too much about them because there are about 19 of them. So I'm going to leave all of them in the description box below. And I'm going to add some pictures and videos of me rocking some of the wigs that I can find. It's not every wig I took a selfie in, or it's not every wig I've worn anywhere. Wigs. So if you're super new to it, just go right ahead and look in the description box below, like I said. And I'm not gonna go into each wig because there's so many reviews out there, so many YouTubers, so you can just type it in the search box and you can kind of see what it looks like on you. So hopefully this video will help you if you're just really trying to see what this like wig wearing is all about, or you kind of started and you just want specific type of wigs. So I kind of tested and confirmed these. I have like 50 something wigs, and out of all of those ones, these 19, I don't need to do too much to it. Like there's one I literally just put it on and go. That's how simple it is. So hopefully this helps you out, and if it does, please let me know.